Hush, little baby, sleep so sweet. Mama's gonna buy you a puppy to greet. And if that puppy won't bark and play, Mama's gonna rock the cradle and sway. And if that cradle won't sway well, Mama's gonna buy you a lamb with a bell. And if that little bell won't ring, Mama's gonna sing a song and swing. And if that song won't make you sleep, Mama's gonna buy you a duckling to keep. And if that duckling fears from flood, Mama's gonna buy you a piglet bud. And if that piglet won't roll in mud, Mama's gonna let all the animals to hug. And if those animals sleep with you, you still be the sweetest baby, it's true.